Hi, today I'm HardReset BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So launch first the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, ring identification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these white dots. Here you will see the vibration for calls. We could switch the settings from never to vibrate to always or vibrate and ring gradually. Let's go back. Here we could turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode, to activate and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change the phone ringtone for SIM 1, SIM 2, to change the default notification and alarm sounds, and to activate and turn off the dial pad sound, screen lock unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration options. Just to turn on and turn off these options, we should click on all of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.